So today we're going to be test driving this car. This is an Alfa Romeo and it's 2019. Like, this is a really fast car. It's so much power. I love these wheels too. Like, wow, those are like almost Lambo wheels. And then it even says like Alfa Romeo right there on the caliper. It's got blinkers right on your rear view mirrors. Kind of looks like a BMW.
See you this time next year.
The shape at least. But it does have unique features to it. Quite a few. So that, I don't even know, I think it's like Giulia or something.
Yeah, there's an Alpha,
But it's a Q4.
That's the one he was asking for earlier. That was super. It's a nice car.
Dual exhaust system.
The Maserati was started around 70.
Yeah.
I like this because it's just like
Wow.
it's fast.
So it actually has a pretty decent size trunk. It's like not really big, but it's average. It's actually, well, I'd say it's kind of small though. It is a smaller car. It's really compact. It's about the same size as a 1 Series BMW. Let's see. Is there a spare for this car?
So right now this one has run flats.
Oh, it has run flats?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
That's cool. So you'll have like tools over here, or the battery actually. That's cool. It's a pretty big battery too,
so funny.
for such a little car. That's cool.
I actually know how to drive it longer than 3 minutes.
So here's like some details about it. If you want to like take a look, it's only like $40,000. So yeah, it's 280 horsepower. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission with a Manumatic, a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and yeah, it gets 26 miles per gallon on average, 23 in the city and 31 on the highway. This one, it's actually got like the brown interior. It's kind of like, I don't know, just a light brown, almost an orange, but I like the center. And then you even have a USB right there, USB port. And you can like stick stuff in the back of the seats right here. Pull this down, you got cup holders. Sorry, it keeps getting all blurry. Then if you pull this thing right here, you pull the whole thing down and just have an armrest, but you can also have access to the trunk. And you just fold it right back up. So it's got 3 seats in the back. I like the way that the doors like open and shut. They're like heavy, like kind of heavy. They're just super like sturdy doors. Then you got like window controls, control your mirrors. So you got like the electric mirror controls, unlock and lock your car. Over here, yeah, your parking assist, and I can't even remember what that was. If you guys remember what that is though, please add that into the comments. And this is what it looks like actually sitting in the seat of this car. It is so cool. And look at this. You even have the Alfa Romeo's symbol right there on the headrest on both seats, not in the back though. So it's really cool. You even have your start engine button right there on the steering wheel. That is so cool. I love that. That's like a Ferrari. It's also got a screen right there. So because it is a Manumatic, like this actually lights up and tells you like your gear, like whether you're in drive or manual or park and all that. You actually just push right here to put it in park. And you also have a park release and park access, whatever it is. And normal things just for heating and cooling. You got a USB right underneath it. This huge thing you see right here is actually a full like backup camera, GPS, computer module and everything. It's a big screen. Love that steering wheel design, that's so nice. And so just right here, this is where you control the computer and just do stuff to like change the input and all of that. Change it to navigation. Right here is going to be like your audio controls. And right here actually, so if you have it at D, that's for the highest performance mode. You turn it to the normal performance mode and eco. I'm not sure why it's A, N, and D, but once you switch these, it actually shows on the screen which mode you are in. It actually shows a full display of the interior, or like the structure of the engine and transmission of the car. Changes the colors to like blue, green, and red depending on the performance and eco modes that you choose. So it's a really cool car. It's actually really fast, has a lot of torque. So let's start this up. The push button start is actually right on the steering wheel. You would just push the brake down, push the start. It's actually super quiet. Okay. I'm going to adjust the seat because I'm short. Okay.
2019 Tiguan has 4Motion. It's only 19.8.
How do I turn this off?
19.8.
Advertising other cars, come on. Test driving a car. Is it just cold so it's shifting early? Doesn't have paddle shifters. So it's got a GPS and it's actually got a control module right here to control it. You can zoom in and out and you can like switch to all different kinds of things with the menu. Do like a lot of things. You can make calls, plug in SD cards and stuff, but here we go. That was definitely a bad shift. So far this car, you definitely can tell it's a sports car. It's got the stiff suspension, but it's not actually super stiff like you'd see with a Porsche or a BMW, like a 3 Series BMW. But this is a lot more comfortable. The seats actually hug you and they're all leather. This one's actually like all brown leather, it's super nice.
What year is this?
Oh, that was
19?
18. So it's really cool though. I love this design right here. It's also got the moonroof or sunroof, whatever you want to call it.
I like the leather.
But holy cow. Okay, let's go.
Kind of hybrid. Oh, my charge is on.
That's an extra to get it blown up.
Oh, I see.
Turbo supercharged.
Oh,
That's
I see.
nice. I like that it is really responsive.
Kilometers.
Yeah. So the way that it is driving is definitely very different than what it should be because there's 5 of us in this car. So but it does have a lot of torque. It actually shoves us all to our seats. And like with 5 people combined, that's quite a bit of lag that it would be like giving with this car, but it really doesn't affect it, even though it's a 4-cylinder. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.